Introducing the 2016 Mazda CX-5. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as leather upholstery, a blind spot monitoring system, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.